What's up, everybody? Hope everybody is doing well on this beautiful day here on the Hunt Family Farm. Today on the agenda, we got a few things we got to take care of, just regular farm stuff, nothing real crazy. We are going to be doing some feeding. I just left Tractor Supply. I bought my sheep some all-stock feed, got them another higher protein feed. We're about to enter into our lambing season, so that's when a lot of the animals. Okay, she hears me. Okay, obviously. Can I do an intro video, please? Like, come on. So anyway, so today we're going to do some feeding. Obviously, do wellness check, make sure that everybody's still alive and doing well. And all of my females are now either they're pregnant, so they should be expecting pretty soon. Then we're gonna leave here, probably go over to the other farm and check on what's left of the turkeys. Thanksgiving's coming up, so we processed a few of those, and then we're gonna look into the chickens. The sun is killing me. Wow. We're gonna do the chickens, the egg layers, and check on the cows as well. So stay tuned. Hope you're excited. Get a chance to check it out. All right, so here is the feed that I purchased from Tractor Supply, just regular all stock sweet feed. I think it has like molasses or something in it. More sheep and goat. This is a 15% protein, so it's high protein content for my sheep. I'm pretty sure once they hear it poured in the bucket, they'll start running around. But we're gonna attempt to put these 2 bags in this bin so we can be close to them. Gotta keep it dry. That's a big thing, and keeping it dry because, if it gets wet, it'll mold. And like sheep are really like sensitive. So we're gonna pour these in real quick and be back. All right, so I'm going to attempt to like pour these in together. They'll like mix, and you'll have like a mix of the sweet feed and the more of a healthier, more nutritional feed. It probably don't make a difference. They're gonna eat it either way. But I just kind of think like when I was a kid and my mother used to like want me to eat greens, and I really wasn't like a big vegetable person as a kid. And so like I would always like mix my candy yams with my greens just to kind of like get it down so I could get a happy plate. But now it's crazy, I'm an adult and I absolutely love greens. And we grow them on the farm, so that's pretty cool too. So try to get it all in. Look, they hear me talking, so you can always hear them in the background. I'm gonna attempt to pour and mix at the same time. Oh, that wasn't bad. And if I fail, then I fail. But trying to give them a little sweet mixed with that healthy, so they'll eat more. Well, I mean, they're gonna eat it. They love grain. All farm animals love grain over grass. And as you can see, they heard me. Here they come. So I'm gonna try to like double hook it. That's a word, I don't know. But this should be interesting. Like that. I'm pretty much a beast, if you didn't know. Mission accomplished. Bag flip. So now we're gonna go and feed them up. All right, so as you get to know the channel, you're gonna get to know the animals, right? So, all right, here is Donkey One, right? She's like a dog. She's cool. She's one of my favorite. He's wormy. I gotta get him some medicine. He's kind of poopy. All right, but if you notice her, she's pretty cool. And then she has her sister, who is, if you see her. Now she has access to come over here, but she's just antisocial, like she really is. When I purchased these donkeys, I got them from it was at the beginning of COVID. So like probably was like at the beginning of 2020. So I got them, bought them from a farmer in Nash County. All right, watch back. Hey, she got it. Wow, she got me. Oh, she almost pooped them. Oh, they ain't gonna put nothing in there. All right, so this story time, right? Tell you about my donkey. So her and then her anti-sister was up there. So we, when I purchased them from a farm a farmer who was a cattle farmer actually in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. So he told me he has a big cattle farm. He has like maybe 8 donkeys on there to protect his cows because, they have a bad coyote problem. So I was like, you know what? I need my sheep to be protected because they're like the most harmless animals in the world. They don't have teeth. All they do is run when they're attacked. Like they're flight animals. They will not fight. They have no fight. Like they'll stomp at you and then they'll run. Like they only have teeth on the bottom row. So like they don't have anything. Like they're really just defenseless animals. Like they are sitting targets. So I said, I need to get something to protect them. So I did my research and donkeys, it was between donkeys or dogs. And I didn't want to have an animal that I would have to come out and feed every day. That wasn't what I was looking forward to. So what I did was I got the donkeys because donkeys seem to be a animal that, and they eat grass, they eat some of the same things. So, if dog food, I didn't want to have to buy dog food. I didn't want to do any of those things. I thought it would just made more sense. So got the donkeys. The donkeys fared out well, but the problem with it is one of my donkeys, well, the antisocial one is, she has a hoof problem. She had the hoof problem when I got her. I think the guy told me that the farm that he got her from, they kept her in the barn all of the time, and so that's why the hoof problem developed. So now, I've been working for a year to try to fix her hoof. She gets abscesses really bad on her, and so it just hit me. That's why she's so anti. It makes all the sense now, because her feet hurt, right? Like, now I'm thinking about it, how you in the club and you leave the club and you walking out, and you know how women, y'all been on y'all feet all night, dancing, doing your thing, and then all of a sudden, like a dude try to talk to you outside, and you super rude and mad because your feet hurt. That explains it. So I'm so sorry. She is anti because her feet hurt. Dang, thank you. I figured that out now. So Shorty is really pissed off because her feet hurt. But me and my farrier, a guy named Jose, he's hilarious. Hopefully you guys get a chance to meet him. He does a great job tending to her feet. It's just a constant battle because, you know, I'm not a full-time farmer, so I can't like do the every day-to-day things. But she'll get like an abscess, and it may need cleaning daily. And it gets better with time, but you know, sometimes they hurt. So she doesn't move around as good as she needs to. But it has gotten a lot better, and it's something we're gonna continue to work to fix. But looks like they're all fed, obviously. It's lambing season. She's a mother of this little lamb and that little lamb. She's pregnant. Just a small fact about sheep, you can tell that they're getting close to lambing by their udder. It starts to swell. So here, I'll put a bucket there. Like if you look at her udder is starting to swell. Let me zoom out. This is the big boy. It's the big male. He's the papa of everything out here. All the sheep and donkeys are fed. They have plenty of grass right now. Still have grass out there and grass up there. So they got plenty of grass to eat. But just giving them the dry feed, it's just a way to, you know, kind of keep them calm, kind of keep them close to you. And then, you know, nobody just wants grass. Nobody just wants greens. Sometimes you want to have some all-stock sweet feed, tract supply. But we're about to go over to the other farm, check on the egg-laying chickens and the cows and what is left of the turkeys. All right, so we're over here with the egg layers. These are all brown egg layers. You notice they're eating, those are like kale leaves. So like, yeah, with our kale plants, the leaves that aren't like the prettiest, before we actually process and we throw them to the chickens. So the chickens get a really good balanced diet. They absolutely love them. I have our little dog. I don't know the dog's name. She doesn't actually belong to us. I think she lives, she's like a neighbor dog, but for some reason she's always here. Like she absolutely loves the farm, loves being around, so it's always cool to have a little animal. But our egg layers are fed. Now we're going to feed the cows. All right, so now it's time to feed the cows. I don't know if you can see them. They are coming. They see me at this bowl right here, and it's about to be a frenzy. It's about to be a frenzy. Drop a little feed in for all of them. They're gonna come running. I'm gonna get out of the way. Look at them come running. Let me go to the next trough to feed. The little dog is being a farm dog, being annoying. She's gonna get killed. So get up! Get you! The dog is being a dog. She's just doing it. Hungry? You hungry? Good gracious, she's so freaking huge. All right, now the cows are fed.